Good morning from Northern Vanuatu Real Estate. Today we'd like to show you the best value waterfront property in Vanuatu. Situated 5 minutes from Luganville, this 2-bedroom home, as you can see there with a beautiful little boat ramp, is right on Luganville Bay. As you can see in the photo there, the house can come with a boat for an extra 50,000 Australian dollars. This is perfect for fishing. The boat itself with a boat ramp, you can roll the boat straight down and pull it out easily. There's also electric winch available so you can pull the boat out. Here we go along the coastline of Luganville, and as you can see we've got schools, beachfront resort and all the infrastructure required for living in a beautiful tropical paradise of Vanuatu. The township of Luganville has been steadily growing since 2020 and is now a major agriculture and tourism hub in Vanuatu. As mentioned, this is the best value waterfront property in Vanuatu. For only $300,000, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. You can also purchase the boat for an extra $50,000 if you choose. Now we're going to the photo gallery so you can have a look at the inside of the house, the view and the surrounding area. For more information, contact Matthew Woon on +678 598 0005. That's both for phone and for WhatsApp. Have a great day.